I just got home from the feed store from where? And the guy was cutting his grass on that road right before you get to our road. And look what he did. Bam. 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 Not only that, he peppered my freaking paint job too. Right there. Dude, it hit hard. Like someone threw a handful of rocks. It even hit me. Because I had my roof down. So yeah, I need to know if I need to go back there. It says that they're liable. There's the damages. And the day's date is April the 15th, Saturday is 9:05. It happened about 8:55. There's my proof.